First of all, I thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Amaya Jinesh Kalungal. I am coming from Pattimattam. I am 7 years old. I am studying in first standard at St. Paul's Badani School, Karanjeri. My family belongs to father, mother, grandpa, grandma and me. My hobbies are dancing, singing and drawing. I am very passionate about modeling. I love modeling. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.